Here I've got KAZAM Tornado 350, and let me show you how to activate battery saver on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select battery. And here you will notice the first icon, which is CPU power saving mode. So if you want to limit maximum CPU performance to increase battery life, just click on the switcher. And from now on, low power solution is active. You can switch it off just the same way. There's also the second way to enable it. Just slide down the upper bar, tap on the icons, and then click on the battery. And then, as you can see, are in exactly same menu, so you can simply click on CPU power saving mode here to activate low power solution. And then you can switch it off the same way. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.